I remain very bearish with my outlook on stock market indexes. Last month, beginning of August, I pointed out that there would be more bad news. Now, some traders thought the bad news was over because they looked at the pullback that we had in July and thought that the bulls completely reversed the market trend. However, using price action on the daily charts, I recommend you go back to that video. I indicated that there was a higher probability that the markets will continue to crash, that there'll be more selling. The bad news is not over going into this month of September, and possibly as we head towards the end of the year, unless something dramatic happens that affects the fundamentals, there is still more bad news. I had 8 indexes that I trade, which represent a pretty huge chunk of the largely publicly traded companies across the world. S&P 500, if you are a bear, you're going to be looking to sell beneath the low of that candle. UK 100, again, you're looking to sell below here. Same thing for the Hang Seng 50. I'll talk about the few anomalies just now. German 30, Euro Stocks 50, France 40, Nikkei 225, Aussie 200. You'll be looking to sell all of them based on this month just gone by, the month of August. So we're right at the beginning of September. However, there are a few things you need to bear in mind if we talk about actually trading and taking advantage of the bear market. Go back to S&P 500. If you're looking to sell here, you cannot put your stop here. We don't put our stop there. We look for a further technical level. And the best place to put your stop would be here. If you're a bit aggressive, if you're a monthly trader, best just put it here above the high of 2022. You don't put it here because market may want to just go up, test the high of August, and if you put your stop there, you're going to get stopped out, and it could just turn and accelerate down. UK 100, again, put your entry beneath the candle, but your stop has to be right up here. Now, have a look at this particular level here. This indicates the low that we have of the year so far. That's going to be a huge magnet pulling the market down, but also a huge level of support. So, if you're selling here, you've got to look to start taking your profits or taking some profits out of the market by the time you get down here. Hang Seng 50, pretty problematic for the bulls because we are right in the middle of this tight trading range here. Actually, in this market, you could sell here, put your stop above here, or if you wanted, you could buy here, put your stop here, because we're in the middle of the trading range. But because the probabilities favor the bears, if you're looking to sell beneath this candle. It's a dodgy candle, the candle of September. So you're selling beneath a dodgy, high-risk trade because it's a trading range, any breakout likely to fail. So you're probably only aiming to get there. And if you see a reversal, then you can jump out and go long. So pretty complex to trade, but tradable. German 30, very good structure for the bears, but their problem, of course, is the low of 2022. So if you're looking to take that trade open for a break beneath an acceleration down to a measured move of this trading range, your stop is going to be up here. That's nearest technical level, just above the doji. Then be prepared to hold through pullbacks until the market accelerates down. And that's the same kind of thinking you'd have again on Euro Stock 50, of course, which German 30 is within. Same kind of thinking for France 40. Again, you can still sell, stop above the doji candle here, and hope that the bears can smash through that pullback and accelerate down. Nikkei 225, look at this trading range price action, tails beneath, tails below. And I mean, if you ever look at the August candle, huge candle, but a doji candle, trading range candle. So even you can still sell beneath here and take profits, but don't go away for 2 months. When you get down, you're going to look to start taking some profits out because you might just reverse and go all the way up. So if you love trading ranges, excellent price action. Aussie 200, you can sell beneath here. I think there's enough mileage for you to go there and make a decent return before the market gets to this level. So the bearish price action carries on. decided to use the monthly charts. If you go to my previous video, you can see the daily analysis that I did. At some point, probably middle of the month, I'll have a look at these charts, but on the daily. So enjoy the trading, and I sincerely hope that you profit from this bear market.